Hi guys, it's Emily. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been sort of a hot minute since I've recorded a video. I apologize for that. I've had some things going on here. I've been listing some new items in my Etsy shop, and that always takes way more days than I think it's going to. And then we had to reorganize one of the rooms in our house. And, you know, that took all day yesterday. And I've also been kind of battling a case of the sniffles. I'm not sick. I think it's just, you know, like change of weather. It's so weird here in Cincinnati. And I know a lot of people in this part of the country say this, but like it'll be, you know, 20 degrees one day and then 40s and 50s the next day. And my body just cannot tolerate that. So, you know, I don't like to film when I'm all sniffly because nobody wants to hear that. So I apologize if there are some sniffles, but I'll try to keep it under control. All right, so I am here with another lovely haul from inlovearts.com. You know, I've got that down at the bottom here, but I will link all of this in the description box as well. So you don't really have to write this down. I just wanted to put it here. They're offering a 20% off coupon to my lovely viewers, and you just need to use this code when you are checking out to get that. And they also offer free shipping on all orders of $25 or more, which is a very low, you know, amount for free shipping. Usually it's 45 or 50 or sometimes even higher. So I think that's fabulous, and they ship all over the world. So I just wanted to show you what I got this time. So like I said, this will be in the description box, so don't worry about writing that down, but I'll just sort of put it up here so you can, you know, yeah, I'll just put that there. All right, so this time I got mostly, well, almost all dies that I wanted to try out. So this one is the Floral Wreaths dies, and I think these are super cool. I'm hoping that I can cut some thin chipboard with these and use them for mixed media projects. So I love this one with the little leaves around the border, and then you have one with hearts, and then this one's cool, which is like they look like bubbles to me, but you know, they could be berries or whatever you wanted them to be, honestly. And then this one also has sort of a berry pattern. But yeah, I thought these were super cool. So I'm excited to try those out. I'm hoping, you know, just some thin chipboard, maybe I'll be able to do that. This one is the Practical Label Frame Decor dies, and there are so many in here. So you get, you know, obviously I need to cut them apart still, but quite a lovely assortment of label shapes. So I think that's going to be fun to play with. And let's see which one's next. This one is my favorite, and I'm going to tell you a little bit of what I plan to do. So I have wanted to do like a memory decks for quite a while, and I just haven't gotten around to it. So this one is a memory decks door cards. So, okay, so once I cut it apart, obviously all this little stuff I don't have to use, but I can. You've got, let's see, what does this say? You've got with, and then hello and love and smile, and then these look like little perfume bottles, which are super cute, but I was more excited about the shape in the middle. And the doors are cool too. I will use those, but I plan on starting like a series the first of the year, or whenever the first Monday is in the new year, called Memory Decks Monday. And I'm going to go ahead and cut out a ton of these. Well, I'll do 52 because I plan on doing it every week. And I will decorate them, and I will play with new techniques. I do some collaging, you know, mixed media stuff. And then I have it's not old. It's like somewhere in the early 2000s, I think. Rolodex, or it's actually like one of those long ones that it doesn't roll. I might get one of the memory decks rolly things, but I'm totally fine with with the thing that I have. And then I'll, you know, keep them all in there. And if it's cool and I like it and I have more space, I'll do it, you know, in the next year too. So I hope you guys will join me for that, but I'm super excited about that. And I like that it's, you know, I don't have to do all the border and everything. You can just use this one piece and make cool memory decks cards. So yeah, I'm really excited about that. This one is the Snowflake crystal ball die. Let me find the, why is it that I can never find the little flap? Oh, it's this way, that's why. Oh, guys, yeah. All right, so this would be super cool for Christmas journals. You could do like a snow globe. You can do, I mean, it comes with like, you know, snow little things here, but there's also little dots as well. You could do like a gumball machine. It's got like the little stand and everything. I picked this because I really want to try cutting out acetate or, yeah, probably like thin acetate, and making like see-through tabs on journal pages. So that's what I got this for. I'm going to try that out. So I'll be back with that project. It's in my head. I hope it translates well to real life, but we'll see. But this is super versatile. I think you can do all kinds of stuff with this. So that will be coming up. And then the final thing that I got was a vintage metal round ruler bookmark. I thought this was super cute, and I'm actually going to make, I'm going to decorate it and give it as a Christmas gift to somebody. So if, you know, I'm not going to say who the somebody is, but anyway, it has like the open area here to add, you know, a picture or something. So I'm going to do something with that, but I thought it was super cute. You've got like the ruler end here, if you can see, there we go. And then the back side is so pretty. Isn't that pretty? I thought that was super cute. And I have this planned out for a Christmas gift, and I will definitely record that when I make it, which will probably be this week. All right, so that is it for my haul and a little bit about what I have planned for the new year. I'm trying to put together some ideas in my head for, you know, like Memory Decks Monday, and then I have no idea, but, you know, trying to come up with things for different days of the week that I can just do every week that might be interesting for you guys. So if you have any ideas, let me know in the comments. I would love to hear what you would like to see me do. I think it will be, you know, it'll be fun to have, you know, kind of an ongoing theme throughout the year. So yeah, all right, guys, please go check out In Love Arts and definitely use that coupon code so you can get 20% off. They have all kinds of fun stuff, dies and stamps and paper packs and stickers and all kinds of things. And every time I go on there, there's new things. So super fun. Go check them out. Please give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you'd like to see in the new year. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already. I would love to have you hang around and play with us. All right, guys, have a fabulous day, and I will talk to you soon. Take care. Bye.